1, 2, 3. Spain. Wait, no, we're in Spain. We're in Spain. You're not Spain.
No, you. Estamos en España.
Oh my god. We're in Spain. Guys, we're in Spain, you know.
Europa, we're in Madrid.
Just a casual day. We have some stuff that's already happened. We just got here and there's already stuff that has happened. Okay, so we finally... Let me go to the beginning. So first we had a 8-hour flight. It was tough.
Where was it?
What do you mean no?
It wasn't tough. It wasn't tough at all. How was it tough?
8 hours is a lot of time. Whatever. We finally land. The flight attendants are telling everybody that they still need to be seated, but this lady decided to still get up and start removing her luggage from the overhead bins. Is that what it's called? Anyways, so then the flight attendant was like, ma'am, you gotta sit down, put that bag, you gotta sit down. And then she just decided to scream at everybody, and she was like, oh, but you didn't tell that guy. And she was like on the other side of the plane, and I was just looking like, you know, because I want to know the drama, but I don't want to cause any attention. The few people around her were laughing at her because she was just talking nonsense. I don't know. And then she got upset that they were laughing at her, and she was like, nobody's gonna get off this plane until you guys apologize to me. And then they started laughing more. But yeah, but then nothing happened, you know, whatever. We get here at 7 in the morning and check-in is on until 3, but you're able to drop off your luggage in the hotel. So we were gonna drop off our luggage and then explore until we're able to check in. When we were booking this place, we did not realize that there's no front desk. There's no front desk. There's basically no workers in the actual hotel. They just send you an email and give you codes to the door and to your room and all that stuff. Our Uber drops us off in the middle of the street, and there's no sign of like this hotel. There's no name of this hotel anywhere. We're like walking up and down the street. We can't find it. I don't have any service, so we can't even use Google Maps. So we're just walking with all of our luggages. We look like idiots and we couldn't find our hotel. And then finally we go and stand in front of McDonald's. It wasn't even open yet. We stood in front of McDonald's so that we can connect to the Wi-Fi, so that we can get to Google Maps, so that we could figure out where our hotel was. It was saying that it was like in a building that we had passed by a bunch of times, so we were confused. And then I started looking at the pictures that Google Maps has. Basically, you have to like go inside a random building, and then there is the name of the hotel, and then there you get in. So we're like, okay, now we have to look for a green door inside of a building that says it. So we go to where Google Maps tells us to go. We just walked into the building because we guessed that this is where it was. You have to go up the elevator to the 3rd floor. That's what the email says. And then once you get off, you go down to your left, and then there's the green door with the name of the hotel. We finally made it inside the hotel, and we put our luggage away where there's like the storage, because we're not allowed in the room yet because it's not 3 p.m. It's still like 8 in the morning. But then we just decide to put the code into our room to see if we can just get in, and that's it. So my boyfriend knocks on the door to make sure like there's nobody still staying in the room. Nobody responded. We just put in the code and like we opened the door like to make sure there was nobody in here, and there was nobody in here. So now we're in here in our hotel. Now you're caught up to date. This is the door, and then you walk in. Bed. This is the bathroom. So the main thing that I liked about this hotel room was, ta-da! This building is so beautiful. We don't have any plans really. Yeah, we're pretty much just gonna wing it and just walk everywhere and see everything and eat food, drink some wine.
Bruh.
This was pretty. back in the hotel room because we didn't realize that the outlets over here are different. Yeah, that's kind of stupid of us, I know, but we went to go get a charger and now we're back in the room charging up the phone so that we're not stranded on the streets. This is how the view looks at night. It looks even prettier at night. There's someone selling some spiders. So yeah, we're just charging up our phones and then we're gonna go back outside, and we pass by some stores that we want to go inside. So I went to sleep around 1 o'clock or 12, and for some reason I woke up at 4 in the morning and couldn't go back to sleep. So I've been up since 4 in the morning, but my boyfriend didn't go to sleep until 2 in the morning. So I let him sleep, but I was kind of starving. This is his outfit, styled by me.
This is her outfit, styled by me, myself, and I.
Now we're ready for breakfast.
So this is the famous churro with chocolate in Madrid. We're gonna give it a first try here. She doesn't like it. I like it.
I do like it.
She doesn't react as big. She doesn't like it.
I thought the chocolate would be better.
Oh, you see, she likes it. You can tell on her face is like she likes it. When she's eating something, she goes, "This is good." It's not good.
Did you fart?
We cut them.
Okay.
She did not cut that.
We walked an hour out. We saw some things that were about an hour away. I don't really remember the names of all the places that we went to. The only one I remember is the museum. So people on TikTok were saying to go to the museum, that it's really pretty and you have to go inside and experience it. It's just not our thing. We were falling asleep. We didn't do the whole thing. It was pretty, but I just got so sleepy being in there. And then I didn't know that you couldn't take pictures, which I've never been to an art museum, so I didn't know you couldn't take pictures. And then I had my camera out, and then a lady screamed no photos, and then I got scared.
I'm not out of spinning the cure thing. Got a little balcony view, guys. So we're in Barcelona now, and now it's time to live the Barcelona life. Now cut the nightlife.
What? Okay, let's show the room. This is the door. This is the bed. We have 2 twin beds, split up, put together, you know, whatever, it's fine. And then we got that. This is the bathroom. Good morning. It's a nice, sunny, beautiful day in Barcelona. It's 10 a.m. and we have a busy day today. So today we're gonna go have breakfast, and then I'm gonna go to some more thrift stores, and then after that we'll have lunch and figure out what we can sightsee, where we can explore. So